As a content creator, you have the potential to earn money from your YouTube channel through various monetization methods. One of the most popular and effective ways to do so is by creating a Patreon account. Patreon is a platform that allows creators to receive financial support from their viewers and subscribers in exchange for exclusive content, rewards, and perks. Here are the steps you can follow to create a Patreon account for your YouTube channel. Number 1. Sign up for Patreon. The first step is to create an account on the Patreon website. Go to www.patreon.com and click on the Sign Up button. You can sign up using your email address or your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Number 2. Create your creator page. Once you have signed up, you need to create your creator page. This is where you can showcase your content, explain what you do, and set up rewards for your patrons. To create your page, click on the Create on Patreon button on your dashboard and follow the steps. Number 3. Link your YouTube channel. To link your Patreon account with your YouTube channel, you need to add your YouTube channel to your creator page. Go to your creator page and click on the Creator Page Settings button. Under the Connect with Your Audience section, click on Add a YouTube channel. Follow the instructions to link your channel. Number 4. Set up rewards. Rewards are incentives that you offer to your patrons in exchange for their support. You can set up different tiers of rewards based on the amount of money that patrons pledge each month. For example, you can offer exclusive content, early access to videos, merchandise, and personalized shoutouts. Make sure that your rewards are valuable and relevant to your audience. Number 5. Promote your Patreon page. Once you have set up your creator page and rewards, it's time to promote your Patreon account to your viewers and subscribers. You can do this by creating a video or post on your YouTube channel announcing your Patreon account and the benefits of becoming a patron. You can also include a link to your Patreon account in your video descriptions and social media profiles. Number 6. Engage with your patrons. When you start receiving support from your patrons, it's important to engage with them and show your appreciation. You can do this by creating exclusive content for your patrons, responding to their messages and comments, and offering personalized rewards. This will help you build a loyal fan base and encourage more people to become patrons. Number 7. Deliver your rewards. Make sure that you deliver your rewards to your patrons on time and as promised. This will help you build trust and credibility with your audience. You can use Patreon's built-in messaging system to communicate with your patrons and deliver your rewards. Number 8. Update your rewards. Over time, you may want to update your rewards and add new ones based on feedback from your patrons. Make sure that you communicate these changes to your audience and provide them with plenty of notice. Number 9. Track your progress. Patreon provides you with analytics and metrics to help you track your progress and see how your account is performing. Use this data to optimize your rewards, engagement, and promotion strategies. Number 10. Stay consistent. Finally, it's important to stay consistent with your Patreon account and continue to create valuable content for your audience. This will help you retain your patrons and attract new ones over time. In conclusion, creating a Patreon account for your YouTube channel is a great way to earn money from your content and build a loyal fan base. By following these steps, you can set up your account, promote it to your audience, and deliver valuable rewards to your patrons. Good luck!